Well, I think we uncovered more problems than we thought we had. I was stripping a lot of paint off, a lot of gel coat off during the washing process, but that just means we're going to get to go back. I was questionable on whether I wanted to wrap or paint it, but definitely we're going to have to now. I think you got to step backwards before you lean into a run. That's stupid. I don't want to say that.
Kurt.
What's up, guys? This is Hagen Makes. Today we're going to be working on our new 25-foot center console that we just got on a trade. It's been sitting for a few years, but it has been sitting in an actual pig pen. It had several peacocks living inside of it, pigs living all around it, and it is filthy. So it's going to take a good bit of work. We're going to spend probably all of today getting it just cleaned up and doing further inspection on it. We don't really have a plan yet. We still got to go through the motor, make sure it's good, but we got a lot of work to do, so let's get to it. All right, this is my new project. This is a 1970 John Allmand center console conversion. This boat was made in 1970 in Hialeah by the John Allmand Boat Company. It started life as a flybridge boat, with the top controls. It's since been converted to a center console style. We kind of have open plans for it. I'm just going to clean it up today, see where we can go with it. We may further convert it. It still has the forward cabin. We might cut that out, build some seating up there, maybe some storage. I'd like the usable space, but I'm not sure where we're going to go yet. We just got this thing. We're going to get it cleaned up, and I'll give you a walk around. Tire blew out on the way here, of course. This thing's been sitting for approximately 2 years. Condition of the engine is unknown. We don't know. It came with a leaning post, and that's about it. It was an inboard originally, flybridge, like I said. That's been removed. It's been converted to an outboard with an auxiliary fuel cell mounting plate here. What you see is what you get. We don't really know too much about the boat. We gave it a good look over when we were checking it out, but that's about all we've got. You can see the inside's pretty stripped out, not much to it. We're gonna have to do a lot of work to the floors. Yep, we've definitely got our work cut out for us. Now let's get this thing cleaned up.
Yep.
Make sure we'll get this tire right here really good and clean. You don't want to roll around looking like trash. If you've got a nice boat, you want to keep your tires clean. No, but in all seriousness, we're going to get all new tires and wheels for this thing all the way around. We're going to redo, definitely rewire the whole trailer. All right, our leaning post here is pretty dirty. We're gonna scrub it down, give you a little before and after that. see how she cleans up. All right, we just got done scrubbing and pressure washing the leaning post, and I think it came out pretty good for about 10 minutes worth of work. I just used bleach and purple power on this thing. If you guys know any or recommend any better products that you like to use on your vinyl seats or anything, just shoot a comment below. Let me know what you think. The inside of the boat, we're just gonna take all the stuff out of here, pressure wash, try to get some of this dirt and leaves out of here. Got literally plants growing in here, so it's going to take a little while, but let's get it started. Show you around. Just got some water running right now to try and flush out everything, but she's gonna need a lot more work. We're gonna have to definitely do interior paint and some flooring, but we've got the majority of everything out of here. I'm pretty pleased with how it's coming along. We'll keep you updated, and maybe if you have any ideas for what you think would work well on the interior, maybe some C-deck or just repainting. Someone said truck bed liner. Drop a comment. I'm definitely open to input on the build, and just let me know what you think.